All right, now let's put everything together and work on an interesting real-world problem. We want to write a program to find the cheapest flights, just like those price comparison websites. So we have different flight agencies that we need to query to get a quote for a given flight. Here's the output of this program. So we're getting a quote from these imaginary websites, Site 3, Site 1, and Site 2. Then we get 3 different quotes, and finally we print this message. Retrieved all quotes in 2000 milliseconds. Now, we want all this to happen asynchronously because these imaginary websites may respond in different times, so we don't want to block the user interface and wait for their response. As soon as we get a quote from a flight agency, we want to print it here. Let's see this in action. So I'm going to run this program. Now we're querying all these websites. The first 2 responded faster. We got the 3rd response and the final message. Let's see it one more time. There you go. So I want you to spend 20 to 30 minutes on this exercise. This is a fantastic exercise to practice all the materials you learned in this course and put them in the context of a real-world problem. We're going to see my solution next.